Hello again, super deformed rally car fans. So I found this old one locally here. It's a Lancia Rally 037 by ChoroQ. So I think this is pretty old. It's actually quite dusty. Let's look at the bottom of this guy. It says 2001, A Space Odyssey. So it's a couple decades old now. Alright, so here's some pics of a road-going 037. And being from 20 years ago, there's not much paint detail going on this guy, on this Choro-Q. Look how foreshortened it is. It's crazy. It's like 2 times, I would say. And as ridiculous as the wing looks on this Choro-Q, look how ridiculous it looks on the real car. Right? So, it's pretty cool, I guess. Right? So this says number 14 back here. This might literally be the 14th casting ever made by this brand, it seems. Although this brand's been around for 40 years, Choro-Q. It's made by Takara Tomitech. Yeah, I'm just seeing what else is here. Yeah, I think the brand started in 1980, so I don't know why it says only 14 on the back. Anyways, the body looks like it's molded in this red, and then it has a separate smoked canopy up there. Alright, standard white Choro-Q 5 spokes here, so I guess that's good for a rally car. It's nice to see there's a little rib detail here, or the sliding window detail of a race car here. The fuel filler. Let's see, so sadly no paint for the window molding or anything like that. The fender flares do flare out, so that's pretty cool. But no paint in here, here. There's a power bulge. It's a little scratched up from being used. I do like that at least you have some color here. And it's going to be easy enough for me to add paint details to the rest of this stuff. I think there's 2 fuel fillers. Interesting. The little protruding intake here. This is actually a mid-rear engine car. Some venting up on the rear glass as well. Some sort of domes here for, I guess, people with helmets, maybe. And then the rear wing. This doesn't really match up, though, at all. I mean, it looks like the real car's rectangular taillights, but oh well. Oh, it's because of the way they molded it. This is the mold half splits here, I guess, and it goes up that way. So, well, I still think they could have gotten half a rectangle in there. Strange. Some rib detail here for some vents, and then the sticker in the back. So I'm going to come back because I'm going to 3D print some wheels. I love this rally car enough that I'm going to do that and add some paint detail as well. Alright, so I pretty much printed the wheels that you see in the photographs. That was the intention, at least. And then I added some paint details to the body as best I could. Skipping the taillights, though, because there isn't enough of a recess or crevice for me to remove extra paint. So that's what we have going on now. Yeah, I think it looks a little bit better than before. Let's take a look at a couple other models here. We have a CM's branded True 64, or it's supposed to be True 64, of the 037 in the racing livery. I think this was in the San Remo Rally of 1983. And then I have a regular street-going version, kind of like the photographs you see behind here. And this is made by Kyosho. So, yeah, the street one's pretty tame. And then the rally's got the big ducktail wing like the Choro-Q one does. Neither of them have the additional fog lights though, or additional front lighting. Alright, let's get these guys out of here. So I do have quite a bit of rally cars in my deformed collection. This is by Kirin. It's like a Kirin coffee beverage. It's a freebie, I think, but I had to pay for it myself. And that's the Austin Mini Cooper Rally there. Pretty awesome. I love that thing. Another freebie is a Lancia from Wanda, and it's the Lancia Stratos. It's a different type of deformation, though. Both of these brands, different type. The roof height, that is. Alright. Then I have a Choro-Q. Oh boy. I have to remove some of the extra paint. Well, anyways, I'll show it anyways. I forgot to remove the extra paint from this Renault R5 Turbo. The front wheel there, it's still got extra black. Alright. And then what do we have next here? We have another Wanda. This time it's a Subaru Impreza. So another freebie. Mitsubishi from Wanda with some 3D printed wheels. These both Wandas have 3D printed wheels. The last ones, that is. There's a Pikes Peak hill climb car. This was from like a Mobile One oil collection. I don't know if it was sold at Mobile One stations in Japan or what the deal is, but again, I had to buy that one. The last one is a Paris Dakar Mitsubishi Pajero by ChoroQ with 3D printed wheels. So in case you haven't noticed, I like rally cars. I think it's the coolest form of automotive racing, probably. Yeah, I'm pretty sure of it, because these guys are racing through the woods. They don't do the same track over and over again. You know, they're running stages through territory they're not familiar with. So I think, well, that's why they have a co-pilot. But even so, I mean, no safety barriers or anything like that. They're pretty crazy. Alright, let's get this guy spinning on its own. And then let me find a cartoon character. For some reason, I'm pulling out Mario today. So if there was ever a ChoroQ that should be remade, like in a ChoroQ Zero form, I think it would be the Lancia 037. They've gone ahead and done the Stratos in ChoroQ Zero form. But I think this one would be another nice one to have in ChoroQ Zero. Although truthfully, I would rather see a Fiat Abarth 131 before this is done, because I don't think ChoroQ's ever done that car. And that thing won a few rally championships as well. Tell me what you guys think. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys checking this out again, and I'll see you the next time I mod a ChoroQ. Bye.